when dealing with a new installation of OpenEMR, you're going to run into this error here, or you should run into this error here where it says you're going to try to upload a document and it'll say document not allowed. So let's see if I can figure out how to fix that. If you go to System and go to Files, and here you're going to pick the file upload types that are whitelisted. As you can see, DICOM zip, PDF, application zip, all of those are currently whitelisted. And the blacklisted file types are images, text, audio, anything video, and anything MS Word, or this Oasis spreadsheet. Those are all blacklisted. In this particular case, I'm not for sure what the user was trying to upload, but I can see that it says file type not permitted, and I'd have to ask them what were they uploading. But if you were going to upload anything outside of one of these three files here, file types here, you would need to manually add that to your whitelist so that it can be uploaded to the system. And that's how you overcome that error message. Thanks for watching.